नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. MSBTची फर्स्ट सेमिस्टरची बेसिक सायन्सची पॅट 2 म्हणजेच प्रोग्रेसिव्ह असेसमेंट टेस्ट 2ची जी परीक्षा आहे ती उद्यापासून सुरू होते. बेसिक सायन्समध्ये बेसिक फिजिक्स आणि बेसिक केमिस्ट्री हे 2 सब्जेक्ट आहेत. त्यामध्ये बेसिक फिजिक्ससाठी चॅप्टर नंबर 2 आणि 3 आणि बेसिक केमिस्ट्रीसाठी चॅप्टर नंबर 4 आणि 5 असा सिलेबस बोर्डाने सांगितलेला आहे. म्हणजे MSBTने हा सिलेबस ठरवून दिलेला आहे. तर केमिस्ट्रीसाठी आपण चॅप्टर 2चे इम्पॉर्टंट MCQs बघणार आहोत की जे येण्याची शक्यता आहे. चॅप्टर 2 इज corrosion and electrochemistry. Now first question is the technique particularly used for protection of underground pipeline in industry is cathodic protection. On which part of any metal differential aeration type of corrosion will occur? It is at less oxygenated part, while more oxygenated part is get protected. Third question is under humid condition, the reaction that occur at cathode when iron hinges are plated with copper is at copper reduction take place, while at iron oxidation take place. This is the reaction. When aqueous solution of silver nitrate is used as an electrolyte during electrolysis, then the ions which moves towards the cathode, these are the silver ions. Ag plus ions that are formed in the solution, they are moved towards the cathode. Then question number 5 is the metal which is placed at the top of electrochemical series is more active metal, while the metal which is placed at the bottom of electrochemical series is less active metal. More active metal they are act as cathode, while less active metals they are act as anode. The chemical reaction in primary cell is irreversible, that means one directional, while in secondary cell it is reversible. Secondary cell it is also known as battery. Then question number 8 is ammonium hydroxide is considered as weak electrolyte as an aqueous solution of it. It is partially dissociate because it is weak electrolyte. One of the method of preventing corrosion of metal by applying protective coating is galvanizing. In galvanizing, coating of zinc is applied over the base metal, that is iron. Then which of the following is a chemical formula for rust? Chemical formula for rust is Fe2O3 2H2O or XH2O. Then next one is if 96,500 coulomb of charge deposit 108 gram of silver, then calculate the weight of silver deposited when 9650 coulomb charge, and the answer is 10.8. During the electro refining of blister copper, 5 to 10% H2SO4 is added to electrolyte. What is the reason behind it? H2SO4 is added to increase the dissociation of copper sulfate solution. Then special anti-fouling paint can be applied on the surface of ship to protect it from what? To protect it from waterline corrosion. If the example of ship or water tank is given, then it is 100% waterline corrosion. In this cell, which type of reaction it is? It is the redox reaction. That means reduction and oxidation both are take place. Then next is at zinc oxidation reaction take place, while at copper reduction take place. Then question number 17 is the gain of electrons by an atom result in formation of what? It is the formation of anion. While the loss of electron, then there is formation of cation. Generally gain of electron is in case of non-metals, while loss of electrons in metals. Name the weak electrolyte from the following. These are some examples of weak electrolyte. Anyone will be given in the examination. Then name the strong electrolyte. These are the examples of strong electrolyte. Anyone will be given in examination. Then in the figure below, part A represent what? Part A represent molten zinc at temperature 425. Different range of temperature will be given here, like 460, 480, etc. The metal which is commonly used as coating metal during electroplating in imitation jewelry is silver. Generally for electroplating or coating, silver is used. Select the volatile film from the following. In case of molybdenum only, volatile film formation. This is molybdenum oxide. Then select non-porous stable film. In case of aluminum, non-porous stable film is formed. Then select unstable film. In case of gold, silver and platinum, no corrosion take place and unstable film is formed. In electro-refining of blister copper, the electrolyte used is 15% copper sulfate and 5 to 10% H2SO4. Due to the passage of electric current, the electrolyte undergoes decomposition, that means breaking up of substance due to electric current. The relation between Faraday's first law and second law, or relation between chemical equivalent and electrochemical equivalent, is CE, that is chemical equivalent, which is also known as equivalent weight, is equal to 96,500 into ECE, that is electrochemical equivalent, or it is also known as Z. The aluminium metal corrosion resistant because of formation of oxide film, which is non-porous. It is also a stable film. Then gold, silver, platinum, these are in this case unstable film is formed and less corrosion take place or no corrosion. While question number 32, in case of molybdenum, volatile film is formed and more corrosion take place. Then question number 33 is, in case of alkali metals and alkaline earth metals like sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, porous stable film is formed and more corrosion take place. The next question is, when two dissimilar metals are in contact with each other in presence of conducting medium, then more active metal becomes anode and undergo corrosion. While less active metal, that means which is at the bottom of electrochemical series, will be act as cathode and get protected. Then question number 36 is, a team engineer observed interior part is more corroded than exterior, then it is a type of waterline corrosion. Then calculate equivalent weight of substance if its electrochemical equivalent is 0.001118. Use relation between Faraday's first and second law, that is chemical equivalent or equivalent weight is equal to 96,500 into 0.001118 and equivalent weight is 107.8. The process of obtaining pure metal from impure metal, it is known as electro-refining, that is purification of metal by passing electric current. Which one of the following is electrolyte? Sodium chloride is electrolyte. Generally all electrovalent substances are electrolyte. Which of the following is non-electrolyte? Petrol, oil, benzene, alcohol, these are the example of non-electrolyte substances. Then pitting corrosion occurs due to what? It occurs due to formation of pits or holes. Then crevice corrosion occurs due to formation of gap. Now question number 43 is very important, which is related to crevice corrosion. Which corrosion occurs in gap of metallic and non-metallic surface? Non-metallic, that means plastic, concrete, rubber, etc. and one is metal. The gap between two, when there is formation of corrosion, it is known as crevice corrosion. Then next is electrochemical equivalent may be defined as dash of substance, that is weight of substance deposited by 1 coulomb of electricity or current of 1 ampere for 1 second. Then galvanizing is the example of anodic protection, while tinning is the example of cathodic protection. 1 Faraday is equal to 96,500 coulombs. Daniell cell, it is the example of primary cell. Another example is dry cell and Leclanché cell. While lead acid battery, it is the secondary type of cell. What immerse corrosion called? Wet corrosion, electrochemical corrosion. It is the another name of immerse corrosion. Next question we will see in next part. Thank you.